Welcome to today's inspired healing meditation, intuitively channeled for your highest good. Set your sacred space by lighting a candle, playing your most favorite relaxing music, have your journal close by, and drop into a moment of peace and calm with me, Helene Rose. Welcome to your inspired healing meditation. In today's meditation, you are guided to take a journey toward the heavens and find a beautiful cloud to float upon and receive several beautiful gifts along with our messages. And this is a beautiful, interactive, personalized experience. And so each person will have a different experience. I hope you enjoy today's meditation. Turn your gaze inward and begin to notice your breath. As you exhale, allow your shoulders to fall. As you inhale, feel yourself refreshed and renewed. Take several deep breaths at your own pace. We set the intention of strong alignment with our highest self, alignment with divine energy, alignment with love energy. We set the intention of opening our heart to receive. We set the intention of releasing anything in the way of us living our greatest potential on this earth at this time. We thank you, Great Spirit, for this opportunity to be here now, to focus on ourselves, grow our love and our divine connection, and be a source of healing for ourselves and for the whole planet. We feel our feet firmly planted on the ground. We feel our spine lengthen and grow. We feel our crown stretching and reaching towards source energy. As we exhale, we sink into the earth. And as we inhale, we reach toward the sun, God energy. And as we continue to breathe at our own pace, we feel ourselves lengthening down and up. As we inhale, we envision love expanding around us in all directions until we become one big bundle of love energy. So deeply rooted in love energy are we, so filled and complete with love energy. Anything that comes our way simply bounces off of us. In this space, we are calm, settled, open, filling with love, grounded, expanding. Let's visualize ourselves in this moment in your mind's eye, growing wings. Butterfly wings or angel wings. And we can envision ourselves flying upward toward the sky, toward the sun, toward the stars, toward the moon. We see ourselves floating gently upward. We become so light, so airy. We find a cloud up in the sky to hold on to rest on. We rest on this cloud and allow ourselves to float through the sky, enjoying this moment of peace and warmth. Almost as if you are floating on a lazy river. You are simply floating on this cloud in the heavens. Now we begin to notice our surroundings. We become so present with what is in this moment. Notice, imagine, what do you see first? This will be different for everybody. You are creating and allowing your own experience in this moment. In your mind's eye, what do you see first? And what you see has a message for you. Receive this message. And say thank you. With gratitude, we say thank you. We float along and we see something else. What else comes your way? What is the message of this next thing that comes your way? We offer gratitude. We move on our way. And we may come to one final thing that we see, one final thing that finds us. What is this one thing and what is the message for you? We thank this thing, we thank this experience. We float on our way. When you feel ready, you can release from this cloud and begin your descent down back into your body. Feeling your hands, your feet, your grounding, your rooting, your straight spine, your crown reaching. And as we move forward, we know that this love energy stays with us, always inside of us, surrounding us. In every moment, we take a deep breath, filling with more and more love. Thank you, Great Spirit, for this moment of connection. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to free write. Write about your experience in this meditation and the gifts that you received. And if you feel courageous, share in the comments with us what were those gifts and messages for you. It would be wonderful to hear from you. And we will see you next time. Much love.